Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here, taking this important step toward your financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, you're in the right place. I'm Suze Orman, and for decades, I've helped people like you claim their financial power. My passion is guiding individuals to make smart, confident decisions with their money, no matter their background or experience. Today, I'll show you how to own a piece of the real estate world without needing a fortune. You don't have to be a millionaire to get started, and you don't need to be an expert to take your first step. Imagine earning income from properties like shopping malls or office buildings, even if you don't have hundreds of thousands to invest. These opportunities are no longer just for the wealthy elite. They're opening up to everyone. This is about making your money work for you and building a secure future. It's about creating a steady stream of income that can help you achieve your dreams, support your loved ones, and give you peace of mind. You deserve to be in control of your financial destiny. No matter where you're starting from, you have the power to change your story and shape your future. If you're ready to take charge, subscribe to Tech Monetize Official right now. Join a community of people who are committed to learning, growing, and building wealth together. Picture owning a slice of a massive mall or a hospital, something once reserved for the ultra-wealthy. Now, these doors are opening for everyday people like you and me. But now, there's a key that unlocks that door for everyone. It's about access, opportunity, and breaking down barriers that once kept people out. Today, we're talking about democratizing wealth, giving everyone a seat at the table. It's about making sure that financial growth isn't just for a select few, but for all of us. This isn't just about numbers, it's about your life and your freedom to choose. Financial freedom means more time with family, more choices, and less stress about the future. The tool we'll discuss is called a Real Estate Investment Trust, or REIT. It's a simple, powerful way to invest in real estate without the hassle of being a landlord or needing huge amounts of cash. I'll guide you through how it works and how you can use it to build wealth. Together, we'll break down the steps so you can feel confident and empowered to take action. So get comfortable. Let's unlock a new level of financial possibility for you and your family. Your journey to financial freedom starts right here, right now. Let's break it down and make sense of this financial buzzword you keep hearing about. A REI, short for Real Estate Investment Trust, is a special type of company that either owns or finances income-producing real estate across a range of property sectors. Imagine it as a giant basket filled with all sorts of properties: apartments, hospitals, warehouses, shopping malls, and even hotels, bundled together under one roof. The REIT then sells shares of this property basket to the public so anyone can buy a piece, just like buying stock in a company. When you purchase a REIT share, you're not just investing in a single building. You're owning a slice of a whole portfolio of properties, spreading your risk and opportunity. You get the perks of being a landlord, like earning rental income, but you skip the headaches of dealing with tenants, late-night repairs, or property management hassles. The REIT's professional team handles all the day-to-day work, from collecting rent to maintaining the buildings, while you simply collect your share of the profits. It's a bit like buying a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. Affordable, accessible, and satisfying, letting you enjoy the benefits without a huge upfront investment. Here's the kicker. By law, REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends, making them a favorite for income-seeking investors. That income comes directly from the rent collected on all those properties, which means your returns are tied to real, tangible assets. So when tenants pay their rent, you get a piece of the action, usually in the form of regular, reliable dividend payments. It's a straightforward way to earn steady income, diversify your investments, and build wealth over time, all without buying property yourself. REITs open the door to real estate investing for everyone, not just the wealthy or big institutions, making it possible for everyday people to get involved. You can start with a small amount and still participate in massive real estate projects that would otherwise be out of reach. That's the magic of REITs, making real estate simple, accessible, and rewarding for everyone. Let me share a quick story. Years ago, I wanted to invest in real estate but didn't have a huge down payment. I felt locked out, until I discovered REITs. I researched, found a REIT focused on apartment buildings, and invested what I could afford. Suddenly, I owned a piece of thousands of apartments across the country. I didn't have to fix anything or find tenants, but every rent check paid in those buildings worked for me. That first investment was empowering. It broke down a barrier I thought was permanent. It showed me that building wealth isn't just for the rich. Anyone willing to learn and take a small, smart step can do it. That's why I'm passionate about sharing this with you. REITs opened my eyes to new possibilities. If I could do it, so can you. Let's keep going. After investing, I waited patiently. No instant results. Then, 3 months later, I saw my first dividend, about $25. It wasn't much, but it was proof my money was working for me. That small dividend lit a fire in me. I set up a dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, so every dividend bought more shares automatically. Over time, my investment grew. Dividends bought more shares, which earned more dividends. This is the power of compounding your money, making more money, quietly, in the background. My initial investment snowballed, growing steadily. I earned income from dividends and saw my shares appreciate in value. REITs offer 2 ways to build wealth, regular income, and potential growth. It's a simple, resilient strategy for the long term. You don't need to be an expert, just patient and consistent. That's how real wealth is built. Ready to start? If you've ever thought investing in real estate was only for the wealthy or experts, think again. Today, you can begin your journey with just a few clicks and a small amount of money. It's easier than you think. You don't need a finance degree or a huge bank account to get started. First, open a brokerage account. Many online options are free and simple. Most platforms guide you step by step, so you'll be set up in minutes. Fund your account with an amount you can afford to invest. Start small, even $20. The important thing is to begin, no matter how modest your first deposit. Research REITs that interest you. There are options in apartments, healthcare, data centers, retail, and more. Take your time to read about each one and see what matches your interests or goals. Find the ticker symbol, log in, and buy your first share. It's as simple as searching for a stock and clicking buy. Turn on the dividend reinvestment plan, DRIP, to automatically reinvest your dividends. This way, your earnings buy more shares for you, helping your investment snowball. This puts compounding to work for you, growing your investment over time. Even small amounts can add up impressively when you let your money work for you. Don't worry about picking the perfect REIT. Just get started and learn as you go. Experience is the best teacher, and you'll gain confidence with each step. Diversify by owning a few REITs in different sectors, or consider a REIT ETF for instant diversification. This helps spread your risk and gives you exposure to more opportunities. The key is to take action, even if it's a small step. Every investor starts somewhere, and your first move is the most important. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Monetize Official for more tips. We're here to help you grow your financial knowledge and confidence. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single click. Take that first step and see where it leads. Don't wait for the right moment. Start building your future today. You've got this, and your future self will thank you for starting now. Picking the right REIT matters. Invest in sectors you understand: tech, apartments, healthcare, or retail. Check the REIT's management and track record. Look for consistent, growing dividends. Don't chase the highest yield. A stable 4 to 5% is better than a risky 10%. Diversify. Own REITs in different sectors to balance risk. Consider a REIT ETF for instant diversification if you're just starting out. Read up on the company's leadership and financial health. Make sure the REIT has weathered different economic cycles. Remember, past performance isn't a guarantee, but a strong history is a good sign. Avoid putting all your money in one REIT. Spread your investments for safety and growth. Smart choices and diversification are your best friends. That's how you build a resilient portfolio. Let's talk risks, because smart investors face them head-on. REIT values can go up or down with the market, so only invest money you won't need soon. Interest rates matter. When they rise, REITs may face higher borrowing costs and slower growth. Each real estate sector has unique risks. Malls face online shopping, offices face remote work trends. That's why diversification is crucial. Management matters. A great team makes smart decisions, a poor one can destroy value. Always research the leadership before investing. No investment is risk-free, but knowledge and preparation help you make smarter choices. Don't let fear stop you. Just be aware and plan accordingly. Stay informed about economic trends and company news. Balance risk with patience and a long-term view. Being prepared is the key to smart investing. Let's keep building your confidence. Patience is your greatest asset as an investor. Wealth isn't built overnight. Think years, not days. There will be ups and downs. Don't panic when the market dips. Selling in fear locks in losses. Trust your plan and your research. Focus on the long term and let compounding work its magic. Think of your investment like planting an oak tree. It takes time to grow strong. Celebrate small wins like reinvested dividends. Ignore daily price swings. Focus on your growing income. Promise yourself to be patient and think long term. Consistency and calm are your superpowers. The market always recovers. History proves it. Stay the course and you'll give yourself the best shot at financial freedom. Patience pays off, always. We've covered a lot. REITs, how they work, and how you can start. You now know how to invest in real estate with just a small amount of money. The door to wealth is open. Walk through it. Take action, open a brokerage account, start small, and diversify. Use patience and dividend reinvestment to grow your wealth. Knowledge is power, but action builds your future. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Your journey starts with one small step. Take it today. You are strong, smart, and capable of building wealth. Subscribe to Tech Monetize Official for more guidance. This is your community and your classroom. Claim the life you deserve, starting now. Thank you for joining me. Let's build your financial freedom together.